Proven ways how to make money online fast in 2023. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to make money online. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, the online world offers a multitude of opportunities. So, grab a pen and paper because we're about to dive into some valuable strategies. Let's get started. Before we jump into specific methods, let's first establish some fundamental principles. Building a sustainable online income requires dedication, persistence, and a willingness to learn. Rome wasn't built in a day, and the same goes for making money online. With that in mind, let's explore some effective strategies. Method 1. Freelancing. Our first method is freelancing. If you have a particular skill or expertise, freelancing platforms can be a great way to monetize your talents. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or translator, there's a high demand for freelancers in today's digital economy. Create a profile on reputable platforms like Upwork or Freelancer, showcase your portfolio, and start bidding on relevant projects. Remember, building a solid reputation takes time, so focus on delivering high-quality work and providing exceptional customer service. Method 2. Affiliate marketing. Next up, we have affiliate marketing. This method involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. To get started, find an affiliate program that aligns with your interests or niche. You can join platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. Once you've chosen a program, create valuable content that incorporates affiliate links and drives traffic to your recommendations. Remember, honesty and transparency are crucial in affiliate marketing to maintain trust with your audience. Guys, if you are liking the video, please like and subscribe and keep watching. Method 3. Creating and selling online courses. Another popular way to make money online is by creating and selling online courses. If you have expertise in a particular area, whether it's marketing, photography, cooking, or any other skill, you can package that knowledge into a comprehensive course. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera allow you to create and sell your courses to a wide audience. Invest time in developing high-quality content and engaging lessons to attract students. Additionally, market your courses through social media and collaborations with influencers to reach a larger audience. Proven ways to make money. Keep watching. Method 4. YouTube channel monetization. Did you know that you can monetize your own channel? With a combination of passion and creativity, you can turn your YouTube content into a lucrative income stream. Start by selecting a niche or topic that you're passionate about and create engaging videos around it. Once you've gained a substantial number of subscribers and watch hours, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. If approved, you'll be eligible to earn money through advertisements, channel memberships, and sponsored content. Method 5. Dropshipping. Last but not least, we have dropshipping. This method involves setting up an online store and selling products without keeping them in stock. With dropshipping, you act as a middleman between the customer and the supplier. When a customer places an order, you forward it to the supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce make it easy to set up your online store and integrate with dropshipping suppliers. Focus on selecting niche products, optimizing your store for conversions, and implementing effective marketing strategies. Well, that concludes our video on how to make money online. We covered several methods. I will create more videos like this in future, so please like and subscribe. Thank you.